The human body is not what it used to be. People has become fatter as a result of overeating and taller thanks to better diets. Civilization haven't been here long, yet it changed us in many ways over the past few thousands years. Some of these transformations are the lack of certain kind of struggle, and it would come back to us as an animal once we return to certain kind of environment. Genetic is also another component in our evolution. There are many more complex ways we can evolve. Anatomically, modern humans was spawned on Earth 200,000 years ago. They lived as hunters and gatherers in small groups until around 10,000 years ago. Farming arrived to the history scene. Humans decide to live on more permanent settlements, and that is the beginning of civilization. We were taught that natural selection operates over millions of years, yet it doesn't seem like that's the fact anymore, since humans now know that a gene giving people the ability to digest milk after birth and spread with the invention of dairy products since thousands of years ago. This is an example of civilization used on physiological development. If we compare ancient human remains with modern-day human, we can see what civilization has been doing to our wobbly body. It's not just us getting fatter or taller, but we have less muscle mass than ever. Office workers do not need to be as muscular to do tasks anymore. Our bones are even became punier due to the fossil record. The diameter is shrinking thinner, as well as density of the mass has become weaker too. Comparing ancient and modern thigh bones, 15% of our strength has been lost between 2 million and 5,000 years ago. Then it reduced again with another 15% loss over just 4,000 years. We are getting weaker since the invention of tools that reduced physical effort in tasks. It's starting with axes, animals, and then cars. Our lifestyle is becoming more effortless to physically survival, which means less and less strength is needed in our daily lives. Is this really genetic changes, or we were just more easygoing? Would it be reversed back to the same as 200,000 years ago if we lived in Stone Age again and nobody knows? It is impossible to say because we don't know which genes are involved. Other physical changes are more mysterious in origin than others. Some of us have acquired a new blood vessel in our arms. In fact, the median artery is present in embryos, but according to textbooks it normally vanishes around the 8th week of pregnancy. An increasing number of adults now have a median artery. Even our fingerprints are changing over time. A comparison of people born before 1920 and those born later revealed differences in their patterns. Why did it need to happen? Nobody knows. In the future, we might be extincted from our weakness, or we might gain some new ability to do things, or even cooler, cats might evolve to the next human. What we do know is that the body has an impressive capacity to respond to exertion over a single lifetime. If we work our bodies hard enough, we might gain some ability to do simple things a little better.